Hey guys, good morning and welcome back to my channel. And now the time is 4:20 in the morning and my god, मेरा हालत totally खराब है and I almost sleep 1 hour and excitement में कभी मैं सो नहीं सकता because अगर मैं कहीं घूमने के लिए जाता हूँ तो मैं सो नहीं पाता हूँ। excitement में ऐसे ही होता है, बचपन से ये बीमारी है, तो बीमारी नहीं, आदत। oh no! So अभी ब्लॉगिंग नहीं कर सकता बिकॉज मम्मी और भाई सो रहे हैं, डिस्टर्ब हो सकते हैं। तो जब हम लोग घर से निकलेंगे तभी ब्लॉगिंग फिर से स्टार्ट करेंगे। सो टिल देन। एंड गाइस, सब कुछ हो चुका है एंड वी आर रेडी टू गो एंड बाइक्स आर रेडी। Isor is ready and I am ready too. Pranjit and his friend is waiting for us in Dergaon and we'll go and pick them in after 10 minutes. Now the time is 5 in the morning and let's go. We are finally here in Dergaon. After 10 minutes of riding, we finally reached Dergaon and here is our friend Pranjit.
You and me hanging from the wheel, drifting in the open breeze. Suddenly the wind blows you away from me. Now I see we were never meant to be. If only we could travel back in time. Whoa, right where we belong. Maybe we'll never need a reason why. Whoa, dancing till the dawn. If only we could travel back in time. Whoa, right where we belong. Maybe we'll never need a reason why. Whoa, dancing till the dawn. From the same branch and leaves, wild and free, living here in harmony. Don't you see, this is where you want to be. But when you leave, the world is never what it seems. If only we could travel back in time. Whoa, right where we belong. Maybe we'll never need a reason why. Whoa, dancing till the dawn. If only we.
And so I finally make a new record. 2 घंटे में 120 किलोमीटर कंप्लीट किया है एंड अभी थोड़ा छोटा सा ब्रेक लिया है एंड शायद रोटी या कुछ खा लेंगे, रोटी या कुछ दूसरा चीज़ खा लेंगे। लेकिन फर्स्ट आई नीड ए कप ऑफ टी, मूड फ्रेश हो जाएगा एंड देन विल कंटिन्यू आवर राइड। सो टिल देन, गोइंग ग्रेट, लेट्स गो।
You and me hanging from the willow tree, quietly drifting in the open breeze.
Hey guys, we have stopped again. I don't know the place name, but I think this one, the place is near Lanka, and we have stopped because we have to refuel our bike, and we will take rest almost 10 minutes and we'll start our ride again. कैसा लग रहा है? अच्छा लग रहा है या फट रहा है?
अच्छा लग रहा है और फट भी रहा है. अब इतना दूर है राइड. एक्साइटेड हूँ.
मेरा तो जोर से फट रहा है भाई. और तुम्हारा फट रहा है?
Until the dawn.
And so guys, finally we made it. Almost 6 hours of riding, and now we have reached our destiny. But the last 40 kilometers was worst. These places really look like paradise. Check it out, man.
You don't give a damn about what I do. You think you're the coolest. Who would ever wanna be like you? You left my heart in pain. Yeah, you don't have to admit it now. You want me to stay, but I can barely use it now. You left my heart in pain.
In the end of the day, it's time to say goodbye to this beautiful place, the paradise. And if you like this video, give a like, and if you're not subscribed, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for the next vlog. So till then, peace.
In the sea, you left my heart in pain. Yeah, you don't have to admit it now.